Every continent has something watching from the shadows. Animals built to kill, not survive. Some crush, some poison, some ambush without warning. And the worst part? You often don't even know they're there until it's already too late. These are the deadliest animals on every continent, and what happens when you cross their path. So let's get right into it. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus might not look like a typical predator, but it's the deadliest animal in Africa. Weighing up to 3,500 pounds, this massive animal spends most of its life in rivers and lakes, often appearing calm with only its eyes and nostrils above the surface. But that calm image is completely misleading. Hippos are extremely territorial, especially in water. During the day, they stay submerged in groups, but the moment something enters their space, they can become instantly aggressive. What makes them so deadly is the combination of size, speed, and unpredictability. Despite their weight, they can run up to 20 miles per hour on land and move even faster in water. Their jaws can open nearly 180 degrees, equipped with massive teeth capable of crushing bones in a single bite. And unlike true predators, they don't attack for food. They attack out of instinct, meaning there's often no warning and no clear reason. Every year, hippos are responsible for an estimated 500 to 1,000 human deaths across Africa, making them far deadlier than animals like lions or crocodiles. Most attacks happen near rivers where people unknowingly get too close. When a hippo attacks, it doesn't hesitate. It charges directly, often flipping boats or biting with enough force to kill instantly. In water, escape is nearly impossible. You're in its territory, and it has every advantage. Now compare this to a lion. A lion is a skilled hunter, but it usually avoids humans unless desperate. A hippo doesn't follow that logic. It doesn't stalk or wait for the perfect moment. It reacts immediately with overwhelming force, and that's what makes it deadlier. Not because it's a better predator, but because it's far more likely to attack in the first place. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is one of the most powerful land predators in North America, and easily one of the most feared. Weighing up to 1,300 pounds, this massive animal dominates forests, mountains, and river systems across Alaska, Canada, and parts of the United States. At a distance, it might seem slow or even calm, but up close, it's pure force. Grizzlies live a mostly solitary life, roaming huge territories in search of food. They're omnivores, eating everything from berries to fish to large mammals, which means they don't have a strict hunting pattern. What makes them so dangerous is their temperament. These bears are highly unpredictable and extremely defensive, especially if surprised or protecting food or cubs. And despite their size, they can run up to 35 miles per hour, climb, swim, and overpower almost anything they come across. Grizzly bear attacks are rare, but when they do happen, they are often severe or fatal. In North America, they're responsible for a small number of deaths each year, but the outcome of an attack is usually devastating. Unlike predators that go for a quick kill, grizzlies rely on sheer strength, using their claws and bite to overpower and maul their target. Now compare this to a polar bear. A polar bear may be more likely to see humans as prey, but it lives in extremely remote Arctic regions, where encounters are rare. Grizzlies, on the other hand, exist much closer to human activity. Hiking trails, campsites, and forests people regularly explore. That overlap makes them far more likely to encounter humans. And in the wrong situation, that's all it takes. Comment down below your or your friend's freakiest outdoor story. Jaguar. The jaguar is the apex predator of South America, ruling over dense jungles like the Amazon. Weighing up to 250 pounds, it may not be the largest big cat, but it's built differently. Stocky, muscular, and incredibly powerful, the jaguar is designed for one thing: killing efficiently. And in an environment where visibility is low and cover is everywhere, that makes it especially dangerous. They're excellent swimmers and often hunt near water, targeting everything from deer to caimans. What makes them truly unique is their killing method. Unlike most big cats that suffocate their prey, jaguars go straight for the skull, using the strongest bite force of any big cat to crush bone instantly. It's fast, precise, and leaves almost no chance of survival. Attacks on humans are rare, but when they do happen, they are often fatal. Jaguars don't chase over long distances, they ambush. That means if one decides to attack, you likely won't see it coming. In dense jungle, you're always at a disadvantage. Now compare this to something like a puma. A cougar is fast and adaptable, but it's lighter and less powerful. Jaguars are heavier, stronger, and far more capable of killing instantly. While pumas may encounter humans more often, jaguars are built to end a fight in a single move. And in a place like the Amazon, where you can't see more than a few meters ahead, that's what makes them truly deadly. Gray wolf. The gray wolf is Europe's top predator, and while it may not match the raw strength of a bear, it makes up for it in a much more dangerous way. Found across forests, mountains, and even areas close to human settlements, wolves are far more widespread than people think, and that proximity plays a huge role in their danger. Wolves are pack hunters, and that changes everything. Instead of relying on brute force, they rely on teamwork, endurance, and strategy. A single wolf isn't much of a threat, but a pack can track, surround, and wear down a target over time. They're built for long-distance movement, capable of covering huge areas while searching for food, which means they can follow something for far longer than most predators. Historically, wolves have been responsible for far more human attacks in Europe than most people realize, especially during periods of famine or harsh winters when natural prey was scarce. While modern attacks are extremely rare, the behavior that made them dangerous hasn't disappeared. Now compare this to a brown bear. A brown bear is far stronger and more deadly in a direct encounter. If a bear attacks, it can end things quickly. But bears are mostly isolated in remote areas and tend to avoid humans. Wolves, on the other hand, are more likely to cross paths with people, and when they operate as a pack, the danger increases. A bear is a sudden threat. A wolf pack is a developing one. And in the wild, being hunted over time can be even more dangerous than a single attack. If you ever hear howls in the forest, just know it's already too late, so you might as well like and subscribe before they finish the job. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth and the undisputed apex predator of Australia's waterways. Reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing more than 2,000 pounds, this animal is built for one thing: ambush. It spends most of its life lurking just beneath the surface, with only its eyes and nostrils visible, making it almost impossible to detect before it strikes. Saltwater crocodiles inhabit rivers, estuaries, and coastal regions, often in areas where humans fish, swim, or travel by boat. That overlap is what makes them especially dangerous. They are highly territorial and incredibly patient, capable of waiting motionless for long periods until the perfect moment presents itself. When it does, the attack is explosive. In a fraction of a second, the crocodile launches out of the water with immense force, clamping down with a bite powerful enough to crush bone instantly. Each year, saltwater crocodiles are responsible for dozens of human deaths across regions like northern Australia and Southeast Asia. While that number may seem low compared to some animals, the nature of their attacks makes them one of the most feared predators on the planet. There's almost no warning, no time to react, and once you're caught, escape is extremely unlikely. In the water, the crocodile has total control, turning even a shallow riverbank into a deadly trap. And in environments where people regularly enter the water, that level of precision is what makes the saltwater crocodile so deadly. King cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world, growing up to 18 feet in length, and it's easily one of the most feared predators in Asia. Found in forests, jungles, and even areas close to human settlements, this snake doesn't rely on size or strength to kill. It relies on precision and venom, and in the right situation, that's more than enough. King cobras are highly alert and surprisingly intelligent compared to other snakes. They can lift a large portion of their body off the ground, raising themselves to nearly eye level with a human. When threatened, they spread their hood, lock onto their target, and strike with incredible speed. Their venom is neurotoxic, meaning it attacks the nervous system, potentially causing paralysis and respiratory failure in a short amount of time. While they don't attack humans often, king cobras are still responsible for dozens of deaths each year across Asia, especially in rural areas where people live closer to their habitat. What makes them particularly dangerous is how sudden an encounter can be. You don't hear them coming, and in dense vegetation, you might not see them until you're already too close. Now compare this to something like a Bengal tiger. A tiger is far stronger and more physically imposing, but it usually avoids humans and lives in more remote areas. A king cobra doesn't need strength or size. One well-placed bite is enough. And because they exist much closer to human environments, that makes them far more likely to turn a simple mistake into a deadly encounter. Leopard seal. Antarctica doesn't really have land predators like the other continents. The environment is too extreme, and most animals here are focused on survival rather than hunting large prey. But in the surrounding waters, there is one animal that stands out: the leopard seal. Growing up to 11 feet long, the leopard seal is one of Antarctica's top predators. It mainly hunts penguins, using speed and surprise to catch them in the water. Unlike most seals, it's aggressive, powerful, and built for hunting, with strong jaws and sharp teeth designed to grip and tear prey apart. Encounters with humans are extremely rare, but there have been a few recorded incidents. In one case, a diver was attacked and killed, showing that while these animals don't target humans, they are more than capable of doing serious damage. In freezing Antarctic waters, even a small mistake can become deadly, and against a predator like this, you're completely out of your element. Compared to every other continent, Antarctica is the least dangerous. But even here, there's still something in the water that you wouldn't want to run into. From hippos in African rivers to crocodiles lurking in Australia's waters, every continent has something that can turn a normal moment into your last mistake. Some rely on strength, some on venom, some on pure timing, but all of them share the same thing. If you're in the wrong place, you don't get a second chance, and that's what makes them truly deadly. Thanks for watching.